It's in the quiet moments, the spaces in between. The coffee cup you hand me as the morning sun arrives. The patience in your listening that keeps our love alive. You see the hidden shadows that I try so hard to hide, and instead of turning from them, you choose to stand beside. This isn't just emotion, it's a choice we make each day, to walk this path together, come whatever may. Oh, you're my steady groove, my sweet foundation, the rhythm and the root of this loving vibration. When storms may come and winds may blow with uncertain force, you are my steady compass, keeping us on course. Through every season's changing, through joy and through the pain, your love remains a constant, like gentle falling rain, nourishing this garden where our deepest trust now grows. My steady groove, my haven, where true contentment flows. Sweet foundation, rock solid ground, where true love and understanding can be found. Steady groove, never gonna leave this sacred bond that I truly believe. And if they ask me how I know this love is truly real, I'll say it's in the peace I feel when in your presence I kneel, not as a slave, but as a grateful soul who's finally found the perfect matching frequency where true love does abound. We built this not on passion's temporary fleeting fire, but on commitment's bedrock and mutual respect's high spire. You challenge me to grow beyond the limits of my past, creating something beautiful, something built to last. Your laughter is the melody that brightens up my days. Your wisdom is the compass that guides me through life's maze. And in your eyes I see a future bright and clear and true, a testament to what real love can actually do. Oh, you're my steady groove, my sweet foundation, the rhythm and the root of this loving vibration. When storms may come and winds may blow with uncertain force, you are my steady compass, keeping us on course. Through every season's changing, through joy and through the pain, your love remains a constant, like gentle falling rain, nourishing this garden where our deepest trust now grows. My steady groove, my haven, where true contentment flows.